Good day, everyone. By the way, I am AS Lizal, and we're going to proceed with the scoring of the Beck Depression Inventory. We have the classification, the low, moderate, significant, with the corresponding scores therein, and as well as the levels of depression. And for the interpretation of the Beck Depression Inventory, you need to add up the scores in every question in the 21 question of the inventory by counting the numbers you mark in every question. So the possible highest total of the whole test would be probably 63, and the possible lowest score at the same time would be 0. This means that when individual scores 0, they had no signs of depression. For the interpretation, the total score of 0 to 10 indicates that there's these ups and downs that are considered normal. In 11 to 16, the symptoms would be mild mood disturbances. 17 to 20, there is a borderline clinical depression. 21 to 30, moderate depression. 31 to 40, severe depression. And then over 40 is extreme depression. So it's important to note as well that if there is a persistent score of 17 above, that indicates that an individual or you yourself needs a treatment. You need to seek professional help already. So in summary and conclusion, the Beck Depression Inventory is a test tool in which it evaluates person's mental well-being by answering this question given there with the depressive states. And it may not be a definitive way to diagnose depression, and yet it helps professionals to comprehend person's mental health. So again, the test consists of 21 questions that an individual or patient needs to answer, and the corresponding scores would give an interpretation in every sum up scores in each question. So this therefore can be used not just to assess clinically impaired individuals but also to assess yourself. You want to try to keep track whether you're experiencing something that disturbs your normal well-being. So if you see signs of deterioration, need to seek professional help if needed. So proceed with the example of the BDI-2. You can see here the all questions and corresponding choices that an individual may use. So may understand simply the whole concept of Beck Depression Inventory. Thank you very much.